Well, it's time to check this Steelie out. I've been through multiples of these phone holders for the car, and this one it has a steel ball magnet, which means that, you can just maneuver that thing everywhere. It's made by the same folks that make my wire ties that I use a lot, so thought I'd give this a shot, being some rather how do you say it, little hood rat stole my last one out of my car, so I have to buy a new one. And this is what I ended up getting. It doesn't look like there's too much to it. Just got to get the box open, so let me go ahead and get this thing open. Now, as it says, we have all sorts of neat stuff going on here. Basically, it's got a powerful magnet connection, 360-degree viewing. You can move it about anywhere, and it easily attaches and rotates, so it sort of sticks on the back of your phone, as they're saying. I'm not so sure how well this is going to work, because I won't have anything to stick on the back of my phone. I will have to use the holder that it comes with, because quite frankly my phone is not set up for that, because I have this type of case on my phone, so it will not work on my phone per se. So you can imagine that is not going to work. See, not going to stick to the back of it. You need a flat case in order to do that, which is not a problem. I'll just use the actual part here. So we'll go ahead, and there's not much to say on these things. I forget what I actually paid for it, but I'll put the Amazon link down below. It wasn't too terribly expensive, so let's go ahead and get it rest of the way open and see if we can't get it in the car. Now, one thing I have found over time, these suction cups fail, and if they do, then you're going to end up having to take and do like I did and employ double-sided tape to get that to really work good. You'll have to cut it and make it fit, and then she'll bolt up there good. Just cut it, make sure it's round, and then it'll hook up there. But for now, we'll just use this suction cup until it wears out and go from there. I don't know, they probably sell other ones, who knows, but that's the magnet right there. Let's see how strong that magnet is. Yeah, it does pretty good. You can move it around any direction you want it to be. Then how hard does it? Oh, it's not an earth magnet, folks, but it is a strong enough magnet to do the job. So let's go ahead and hook this up there, get it adjusted in my edge and old Blueberry, and see what we got going on. Now, in order to make this suction cup go concave, you just push this lever that way, and then when you want to release it, you just spin it the other way. So yeah, it says right there, lock and unlock with arrows. So we'll just go ahead, we'll put it where I want it to be, which is right about there. And it looked like it locked right in. And then we just slap that in there, and then we adjust it. And if you want to lock it in, you just lock it in nice and tight there, so it don't move. And then when you want to put the phone in, you just take and when you put the phone in, you just open it like so, and it clamps down. It'll hold a large phone, so it works out pretty good. So that's what it looks like, and of course you can turn it, whatever direction you want to go with it. You might want to make sure the phone is balanced in it, like so. That way it stays in position a little bit better, because of the weight of the phone or anything is offset. So make sure it's centered, and then it will do whatever you want it to do, whatever direction you want it to be, to make it work. So I think this will be a good addition to what I'm doing. visibility wise, not going to have much problem. It might look obtrusive in there, but I think it's working pretty good, and it's not sitting right on the dash. So hey, I think it'll work good when I want to talk to y'all while I'm driving. Not that I do that, right? Anyway, this is Mac T. Hope you enjoyed this little review and how this phone holder works. I think it's a good addition, and welcomed change to what I was doing, which was just throwing the phone on the seat. And that's all I was doing, since those little hood rats stole my other one from my car. So anyway, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. And also, Band of One's got some great music. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. And Mercy Girl's got a couple of one-liners.
Thank you for watching Mac T's videos. Remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.